Hello everyone, welcome to Error Genie. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to troubleshoot and fix issues with launching Dead Island 2 on Xbox or from the Microsoft Store. Just follow these steps to get your game up and running smoothly. Step 1. Check Xbox Live Service status. Click the link in the description to visit the Xbox Live status page. Here, you'll see if services are running normally. Green check marks mean all services are active. Yellow triangles or red error icons indicate Xbox Live issues. If there's an outage, wait until it's resolved. If Xbox Live is all clear, move on to the next steps. Step 2. Unplug external devices. Disconnect any non-essential external devices. Unplug additional controllers, adapters, wheels, or USB dongles. Keep only essential devices like your mouse and keyboard. Try launching the game after doing this. Step 3. Run a clean boot open system configuration from the search box. Under the Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services, then click Disable all. Restart your PC and try launching the game. Step 4. Close background apps. Open Task Manager, Control+Shift+ESC. Under Processes, right-click any third-party apps not in use and select End Task. Close overlays like Discord or GeForce Experience, and any overclocking tools such as MSI Afterburner. Step 5. Repair and update graphics drivers. Head to the NVIDIA or AMD website and download the latest drivers. Choose a clean installation when prompted. Step 6. Verify game files. In the Xbox app, right-click the game, select Manage, then Files. Choose Verify and Repair. Step 7. Delete Microsoft Store cache. Go to C:users bracket, your username bracket. App data local packages. Find the Microsoft Windows Store folder and delete the local cache folder. Step 8. Ensure same account is logged in. Make sure you're signed in with the same account on both Xbox and Microsoft Store. Step 9. Update Windows and Xbox app. In Settings, then Update and Security, click Check for updates. Update all apps in Microsoft Store by going to Library, then Get Updates. Final steps. Reinstall gaming services or the game. If issues persist, uninstall and reinstall gaming services using PowerShell, commands in the video description. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall Dead Island 2, choosing a different drive if possible. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Error Genie for more easy troubleshooting guides. If this helped, please give a thumbs up and share. Happy gaming!